Sam Waldman from Team 1099 here. It's about the end of week 1 here. We began the week after kickoff by brainstorming and trying to decide if we want to climb, shoot, or a combination of both. We've now begun prototyping both designs and building each the pyramid and the goals. Shooter-wise, we have 2 designs we're thinking about. Both a curved wall with a wheel in the center, that way there's lots of contact between the frisbee and the wall, that way it can have lots of spin on it, or a linear shooter with a flat wall and 2 wheels, that way it's more compact and we feel like we can get more power and also fine-tune it a little bit more, but we're just trying to prototype them and figure out which one's better. Climbing-wise, we still have lots of ideas of how to get up, but we're trying to aim for the level 3 30 points, and we feel because that will be very beneficial. That's all for now here in the disco worlds of Team 1099.
So I'm working on a tank tread assembly, and we're going to use roller chains. Take roller sprockets like these. I'm going to grind off every other tooth. It's been done on this one, so that there's space where it's going to mesh with a screw on a roller chain. It's going to give us a place to anchor our tank treads.
Well, we're still in just starting to construct the little gussets and getting ready. We're going to use electrical conduit for the other 3 sides, and then we've got the regular good metal tubing to the one side that we're going to crawl up.
So what are you doing, building the field elements?
Yeah, that thingy.
What's the process?
Measuring, cutting, and other stuff along those lines.
How long do you think it'll take to assemble everything?
A while. Probably 3 more meetings and I'll be done, roughly. Something like that.
Well, right now we're waiting for the our programming base to communicate so that we can test the shooter. It's looking pretty good, but we're going to raise it up a little bit more so we have a better view of the trajectory and how consistent the shot is.
On the bottom.
So what we did with our tire is before we had it filled up with 3 to 5 psi over there, and the pressure was actually keeping it on the rim, so we weren't getting as much traction with the frisbee when we were going to shoot it. So what we did is we actually let all the air out, so that now when it spins, the centrifugal force pulls the tire out, so you actually have more traction, more grip, and then this will actually move faster for less speed with the tire.
Right right now we're adjusting the angle. We found that when we took the air out of the tire, it goes a lot more powerfully, so we're just trying to adjust the angle to see if we can get it at the right height. We started at an angle of 18 degrees, and that was a little too low. We went to 22, that's too high, so we're trying to get somewhere in the middle.
Well, our circular ones shoot pretty well. Our linear ones should be good. I don't know if we're going to have time to test it tonight.
Testing go.
Oh, this testing was great. We hit height of 88 inches with a distance of 20 feet.
Wow.
So, pretty good progress. Going to put all this information on Windchill so the people that weren't here can look at it or add stuff to it so that they will have an idea of what's been going on.
Motor, that's the first time I've ever seen that. The motor successfully shaking itself out of a gearbox. So basically what we did is we had a functioning prototype with just a piece of angle. These wheels are farther back. So what we've done is try to move the wheels up to try and see if we can condense the robot and just see how long we actually need on the real robot. We also added these channels here to kind of keep the Frisbee flat and level as it goes through. It also gives us the ability to put it in like that and fire upside down, in theory. We just kind of have two Bainbot motors with 4-to-1 transmissions up here, and we're just going to save it shoots.
I think their shooter, with a little modification, could make it fly upside down. Our shooter, it won't.
Yeah, your shooter's going to need some sort of rail or something that keeps it from popping out and trying to shoot upside down. We're just going to try and cut out this center wood here, so see if we can shoot them upside down better. We got both of our shooters pretty much functional. Made a couple tweaks to our linear one. It's shooting pretty decently. The circular one, don't really know what happened, what went on there, but I think we pretty much have two pretty decent shooters.
We're trying to upgrade the circular one.
Yeah, I think we're putting a new wheel on it. We made some progress on the goals. I know Gus was working on getting the goals all up and open, cut up. I think we made some progress on our pyramid as well. Got the gussets kind of welded. Yeah, so yeah, see you guys next week.